I made a jig to use to cut the cheeks on the 335 because it's got to go up in the neck. It's about that wide and got to cut around it. So the neck's locked down inside of it, real tight. The way this thing works is I got 2 locks on the top here that lock it all together, see? And then there's a piece of wood in between there so it don't scar up your neck. Now these on the side, right here, reach in there and loosen that up just a little bit. Loosen this one just a little bit. And there's your one board for this side. And there's your neck. It just came out. This is the wedge that goes in the bottom and sets the angle of the neck at 3.5 degrees, the way it's got to be for it to work. So everything's lined up. Then we got lined up on this cheek line here and across here. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut the side cheeks first just to see what they're going to look like. And then we'll go from there and work our way through it. So the way I do this is I set this up here. I got my ShopSmith set to the depth I want to go, the maximum depth, which is right there. So we're going to just bring it down a little bit, set it up, get it running, and take a little off one time, see how it works. Okay, so y'all ready? Close enough to hand work it. Do this side now. See, we're starting with just a line. We'll put it on this way. Bring this up a little bit. Okay, now I've got both of these cheeks cut to where this goes on. Now we got to figure out what we got to do to the bottom. If I'm just guessing here, I'm thinking we got to go something like right here and then come back like this. Now I'm going to put a question mark because that's the way I think it's going to be just from my mind. And it can be off a little bit, but I think that's the angle it's going to be at. So let's, we'll take it in there and see what happens and try it. You know, figure it out and test fit it. So, I don't know. We'll find out. This is another one of them processes that I've automated to make it a little easier to do for the old ShopSmith. So far, I've put the truss rod in this neck with the ShopSmith. Right of those trusses, I cut this outside profile with the ShopSmith. A bandsaw and a ShopSmith. I done this with the ShopSmith. I made this angle and I'm fixing to make this cut right here with the bandsaw. You can see that's my volute. So we're gonna come back here and make a volute and we're gonna run the neck down here and come out right down here. So all that goes away and then this here's got a funky cut on it because it's got to make, and there's your angles. There's the cheeks cut on it. It worked like it does. So let's see how it works. Let's go.